a cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got tips, some of us don't. Big nose contour, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty in my eye.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit sent over from Subella Hair. Today's unit is a curtain bang unit by the name of Brown Highlight Loose Wave Wig. Another short name for a unit. Like, I'm loving the short names. Okay, wig companies. This unit comes in multiple lengths of 16 all the way down to 32 inches. I received the 26-inch unit. It also comes in multiple lace sizes of 5x5, 13x4, and 13x6. I received the 13x4. You can also get this unit with or without lace, and for me, I got mine with the lace on. The coloring of this unit, in my opinion, has been done really well. The rooting of this unit is like a dark chocolate moment. I hope it's picking up properly on camera, not showing like a 1 or 1B, but it's definitely like a dark chocolate moment up top. Then it like slowly goes down into this like beautiful hazelnutty color, if you will. And then here in the front, which you really can't tell, that's because we're gonna curl this part together like later on in the video, but it has like this like really beautiful caramelish blondish color. I don't know, I'm pretty excited about this unit. The cap construction for this unit comes with 4 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 are in the front with 1 on each side. Also has 1 in the very crown of the unit. It also comes with adjustable straps here in the back, and then it also has a security band that you can adjust and or remove if you choose to do so. And sorry if my voice sounds a little off, cracked, or dried out or something. Like, I am sick again, but whatever, we're gonna make it through this video. Just from looking at this unit, it does look like it's been pre-plucked. I may or may not have to go in and pluck it some more. I don't know, we'll just have to find out once we install the unit. I will let you guys know that I did go in and bleach the knots on this unit. Now, they weren't terrible, but I just knew that I could get them like a little bit smaller or to disappear a little bit more. So yeah, I went in and I bleached the knots. When I first pulled this unit out of the box, it came with this really nice like wave pattern on her, because this is a body wave unit. But of course, I did go in and shampoo, condition her, and of course I let her air dry overnight. And this morning I went in and I wand curl her, so this is how she's looking right now. I am going to like curl the top of this unit and probably the sides of this unit on camera in a second, but I don't know, I just wanted to put it out there that this unit did not come curled like this. So just in case you plan on picking up this unit, just know she does not come curled like this. I used a wand curler on this unit. But okay, I am not going to do too much talking because I will, but let's go ahead and install this unit.
I just wanna believe.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Subella Hair. Baby, one thing about it, two things for sure. I love me some curtain bangs. Curtain bangs are going to look good in the middle part. They're going to look good in the side part, whether it's the left or the right. They look good with some layers. I just love me some curtain bangs. Now granted, this unit isn't layered, but due to the highlight portion and also the ombre portion of this unit, it gives the illusion that this unit has layers, at least up until a certain length in the unit. I said it earlier in the video and I'll say it again, I think the coloring on this unit was done very well. Now do I think you can wear this unit in like a straight style and the color still look good? Probably not. There are a few pieces to where it's just like you can tell it's kind of like chunky a bit, if you will, but curled, oh yeah, this unit eats. Speaking of curling the unit, now I have another Subella unit. I want to say it was not the last Subella unit I reviewed, but the unit before that. It's basically the same style, only in black, and I love that unit down. I did say in that video that the unit did not hold a curl very well, but I honestly think it's probably because I should have used my wand curler like I did with this one. So far this unit is holding a curl pretty nicely. By the way, I apologize about my bra straps. I should have put on a different bra, but I didn't want to change my bra. So anyways, yeah, this one is holding a curl very nicely. With that one I did end up cutting it, and I want to say I cut it to about shoulder length if I'm thinking correctly. I've worn that unit so many times, like so many times, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to get the same amount of wear out of this one as well. I'm probably going to wear this one long a few times before I cut her, but I'm definitely going to cut her, and I'm probably going to cut her to about probably boob length, or right before or right above my boobs. Like yeah, I just this is a beautiful unit. As for the fit of this unit, I would definitely say that she's big head friendly. For the most part, I want to say most of my Subella units are big head friendly. I want to say I might have had one that wasn't, but I could be wrong. But yeah, this unit in particular, she's fitting very nicely. As far as tangling and shedding is concerned, I'm not really getting either one of them thus far. Now granted, I did just put it on. It is only 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so I am going to continue to wear the unit throughout the day, and if I do get any tangling and shedding, then I'll make sure to leave it down in the comment section below. The hair is super soft and silky. Oh, as far as the pre-plucked portion goes, because I did mention that earlier in the video that I may or may not have to pluck her a little bit, I did go in off camera and pluck her just a tad bit. It wasn't anything too crazy, so I would say for the most part this unit has been pre-plucked. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Thank you so much to Subella for sending over this unit for me to review. It is truly appreciated. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.